Hi, in this video you will learn how to run Facebook ad campaign as a beginner. Before starting this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Amin. I'm a top rated digital marketing specialist on Fiverr and Upwork. So before starting this video, you need some requirement to run a Facebook ad campaign. You should must have a Facebook page. Then you should have a Facebook ad account with payment method indication, and you need to target location, and also need a budget, and also need a creative, and what is your campaign goal. Okay, like sales, message, phone call, leads. So if you have this information requirement, then we can start. Already I'm going to start my Facebook ad campaign. So now I'm in my Facebook ads account. Just I'm click the create option. So here you can see campaign object, awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales. So my campaign goal is to get a message from my client. So I will select engagement, then click the option. Then I will select manual engagement campaign. Just click and continue. First of all, I have to write a name. So I will write a name. Before starting write a name, I just mention you write a name that you can understand very easily, because when you have run a multiple ad campaign, then you cannot if you don't write a specific name or a meaningful name, then it is difficult to find out your targeted campaign. So I am writing a meaningful name. Okay, thank you. So I will also click the next option, advanced campaign budget. So I will not select this option, just click the. So now you are coming in ad set. Just write a name called. Here you can see Facebook page. You need to select. If you have a multiple Facebook ad Facebook page, then you can select. So I select this page because this is our targeted. Then where you want to receive your message, Messenger or WhatsApp. I will only receive message in WhatsApp, so I just click Messenger. Then performance goals, maximize conversion, maximize link click. I will select maximize conversion. So our daily budget, I will select lifetime budget. Okay, everything everything from 10 days my budget is 2765 BDT. That means it almost 300 US dollar. Then here you can see location. So you need to target your location. Okay, so just click this option and write your location. Just cut this option, remove, and write your location. I just write USA. Then we need to go switch to original audience. Okay, please click this switch to original audience. Then here you can see detailed targeting option. So here you can see here you can target your location language. I will use only Bengali language. Then we need to, our targeting is almost done, so we need to go next option. Just click the confirm option, and here you can see video. Then here you can see the option ad setup. Just click add preview option and click ad setup. In the write a create option, use existing post. So I will select existing post, and here you can see there has a select post. Just click this option, and here you can see the option. Just click this option. Okay, then continue. So everything is fine now. If you just click this option, if you find everything is okay, then just click this option and publish your Facebook ad campaign. So just I'm click this option to publish. So in this way you can run Facebook ad campaign very easily. If you need any help, let me contact. I will share my contact information in the below. You can, if you need any help, let me contact. I will help you. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also click the like button.